Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. So in this video, I want to share with you. Currently, GoDaddy is running an offer for 1 cent. You can get a .com domain name for the first year. So is this a good deal? So a lot of people ask me about where can they register domain name, especially we are coming to year end 2024, and some people will want to start a new online business next year. So where can they register domain name? So let me show you normally where I go to register a domain name and also share with you the total pricing of this offer for you to consider. So currently GoDaddy this offer is that you can get the domain name for 1 cent, but if you need to register for 3 years. So assuming we want to register a domain name, let's say caseytime007.com, I click search and you can see that it is available. So I can get it for 1 cent for first year. So what I do is I can click on this button, I can view cart and check out the pricing. And you can see that the total is $59.99. And they also offer you to upgrade to have a domain protection for another close to $12 per year. So this aside, so for 3 years, it costs you $59.99. So let me show you how much it costs converting to US. So you can see that converting to US is $45 US. So normally where I go to register domain name is this place called namecheap.com. Okay, so if I were to register the same name, for example, caseytime007.com, and I click search, let's find out how much it costs. So you can see here that for first year is $9.98. This is in USD, so I'm going to add to cart. And let's check out the pricing for 3 years. Okay, so I click view item, and over here I put in 3 years, and it only cost me $41 or $42, which is cheaper than GoDaddy's offer. And on top of that, Namecheap comes with free domain protection, so you don't need to pay another $12 for domain privacy protection. So Namecheap is definitely the place to go if you want to register for a .com domain name. And if you are lucky, sometimes Namecheap will have this kind of promotion. Let's say for new customer, you can get a .com name for even cheaper rates. So you just use their promotional code you can find in their homepage. So basically, Namecheap is my first place to go to when I want to register .com, .net or other extension except .sg. Okay, so if you are located in Singapore and you want to register a .sg domain name, I would suggest you can go to this website called srbytes.sg. I find that after comparing many domain registration company, SRBytes has one of the, in fact, the cheapest rates .sg domain name. So if I were to register caseytan.sg, check domain, okay, so the price I have is $45 Sing dollar for 1 year, and you can't really find any price that is lower than this in other website. Especially GoDaddy, they will charge you about $70 to $80 per year. So Exabytes is the best place I go to register for .sg or .com.sg domain name. So two recommendations I have. One is Exabyte for Singapore based domain name, and one is Namecheap for international domain name. So I hope that you find this video tip useful. If you find it useful, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Thank you.